Do you have some strawberries in your refrigerator somewhere back there that you don't know what to make with? Well, let me put you on to these. I made some cheesecake stuffed chocolate covered strawberries. These are so delicious. To begin with, I have some strawberries here. I am going to rinse them off because they do come dirty in the package, so make sure you do that. And then I'm placing them on a paper towel to dry up. You can just use a paper towel and dab them with it to speed up the process. And once they have dried up, I'm going to start sticking some toothpicks right in the middle of all of these. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. You can use your own method. And once I've done all this, I'm going to start melting the chocolate. I'm going to start with the white chocolate first. I'm adding in some coconut oil just to thin it out a little bit. And I'm going to melt this down on low heat. Once that has melted down nice, I'm going to start on the chocolate. And I am using almond bark chocolate, but you can use whatever kind of chocolate that you like. Once that has melted down, it's now time to start dipping the strawberries. Starting with the white chocolate first, I'm going to grab the stem and just pull it up. And this way I don't get no chocolate on it. And because these are going to be cheesecake stuffed, I'm not going to dip all the way up. That because I'm going to slice it on top to add the cheesecake filling. Once I have dipped them, I'm going to place them on this styrofoam. This is just one that I got at Walmart. And just so you know, after I dip these, I let them dry and I double dip them. I just like to have that nice white color. And now starting with my chocolate. Same process. But on these ones, I did not double dip. And now once I have dipped all of these in some chocolate, I'm going to let them dry. It really doesn't take too long, but make sure that they're completely dry. And now what I'm going to do is grab a piping bag and just add some of that chocolate. And I'm going to snip off just a little bit from the bottom because I'm going to start doing a design. And here I'm just going to make sure it's tight. That way the chocolate doesn't run out of the bag. Same thing with the white. And now you can make any kind of design that you want on the strawberries. You could even just leave them plain like that. But I think a design makes them look really nice and pretty. And here is just a few examples. I'm doing this here, and then the other ones, you can just do the lines. And then I'm going to do chocolate on chocolate, same thing. Do whatever design that you like. And once I have done all that, I'm going to let this dry up before we start stuffing them. The flavors I'll be using are pistachio, strawberry shake, chocolate, and banana cream. To start off with, I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chocolate pudding, and I'm adding a little bit of heavy cream. You can use regular milk if you want. And I'm going to just gradually start adding the heavy cream to get a nice consistency. And I'm going to add in another tablespoon of chocolate, a little bit more of heavy cream, mix it again, and I will be adding another tablespoon of chocolate. Same thing, and then just trying to get a good consistency like this. Doing the same thing with the other flavors, But for the pistachio, I am adding green food coloring just to give it that pistachio look. And once these are done, I'm going to grab a piping bag and start adding the cream cheese filling in each of them. And I'm going to cut off the bottom, adding a piping tip to it. And this is the bag I'll be using for all the flavors. And now I'm going to add the chocolate one in here, making sure it's nicely in there. And then we're going to start stuffing these. For that, I am cutting the top off. And with this tool, I'm just going to take off the inside. And I'm going to make sure it's completely dry because if not, the cheesecake will not stick. And here's just what I'm doing, this design. You can use whichever piping tip that you like. And I'm just going to put it on this cupcake liner. And now I'm going to continue with the rest. I would suggest wearing a glove when handling the chocolate strawberries because chocolate does melt fast. And this helps it to stay intact. The smaller strawberries, I am going to be placing them in a more tiny cupcake liner. One just like this one. And it fits perfect. And here is the banana cream. Don't these look delicious? And now after I'm done with all that, I'm just going to start adding them on my tray, trying to place them in there all nice and pretty. And these cheesecake stuffed chocolate covered strawberries are done and it's ready to enjoy. These are all done and they look so good. I already tried one and I can tell you, yes, they are super delicious. You can do whatever flavors that you want. I did the banana cream, pistachio, the strawberry, chocolate. I wish I could eat it all. You got to try it. And that is how I make my cheesecake stuffed chocolate covered strawberries. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so now. And don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you like these. I hope you try them because they're super delicious. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.